Oh, hi. I'm sorry we're late. We were just at the clubhouse setting up a golf lesson for tomorrow. I'm Heather VanderMyde, and this is Kirsten Farr with Coldwell Banker-Seaside Realty and the VanderMyde Real Estate Group. We can't wait to show you 623 Hunt Club Drive, located in the Currituck Club, a premier gated community that offers access not to only the beautiful beaches, but to an 18-hole Reese Jones design link-style golf course that is also an Audubon Society sanctuary. The Currituck Club offers 24-hour security, a clubhouse with a golf pro shop, members lounge, and grill, 7 tennis courts, 5 outdoor pools, and a trolley system. Also, a fully equipped fitness center with exercise classes, and I saw on their Facebook page this morning that they're offering a Pilates booty builder class at 8 a.m. That's something that I think we need to hit before the golf course tomorrow. I need to build this booty.
Oh my gosh, okay. Enough talk about booty class. Let's go inside this former model home. I heard it used to be the pro shop before the clubhouse was built. And this is where Heather VanderMyde started her real estate career. She worked on the top floor with the sales staff selling lots, and the pro shop had the bottom floor selling tee times and memberships.
I miss those days, Kirsten. Oh, it's so sad. Let's go inside and show them my old stomping grounds.
This one-of-a-kind 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath showpiece home is thoughtfully designed and quality constructed, remarkably built through and through by renowned OBX builder Dave Stormont. As you can see, it's centrally located with an easy walk to the Currituck Club clubhouse, all of its amenities, grocery store, and upscale dining. You could leave your car here and walk, bike, or ride the golf cart to everything you need. The carefully considered floor plan has a dynamic flow featuring soaring ceilings, reverse floor living, oversized windows to showcase the 9th green, a stone surround gas fireplace upstairs and down, huge game room, and plenty of elbow room for the whole family to spread out.
Downstairs, there are 3 more bedrooms. One is a master suite with a private bath and a dry entry to a 2-car garage. The owner has done many recent improvements, including new roof and siding, a new HVAC unit, 2 high-efficiency Rheem hot water heaters, a freshly painted exterior, new appliances, and new lighting throughout. Oh, and I must say, all new furnishings.
Thank you for joining us today to learn more about our latest listing and the best value in the Currituck Club. For more information, please contact one of us to schedule your private tour.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm gonna go check out that booty class. You wanna come?
All right, yeah, I do. I think I need it. All right, bye.